is me walking to some very important mission that I had. Let's see what that is. I'm going up these stairs. If you've seen my past videos, you may have seen this particular place before. Okay, so this is inside the barn, and I'm cleaning it up because I'm going to build something for myself in here. We'll see how that goes. So this is how I started. I vacuum and then I use this thing. Well, first there was a lot of stuff here and I removed it. I carried out a lot of stuff. I can show more of that sometime in a different video. As you see, there's so much dirt, and that's because there used to be stuff like oats and wheat and different things here in the 1940s. Yeah, we found some text on the wall where it says oats and wheat and different numbers, 1943, 1944, and so on. So basically no one has done anything here for ever since that time. So ever since the 1940s, no one has done anything here except put stuff, of course. Okay, sorry for that noise. I might edit it out if you don't hear it. So yeah, that's pretty interesting. I can show the pictures of the wall sometime. This is in the fields. I was trying to dig and I started like this, trying with a regular shovel, and obviously, as you can see, that didn't go well. And that's not because I was filming holding my cell phone as I was doing it. It's because it was the wrong tool. It looks like it should work, but nope. No, it did not. As you can see, it did absolutely nothing. So I found this, and this is a hoe. You use this to dig too, and okay, it doesn't really go well when you do it like this, holding your cell phone in one hand. But as you can see, even though I'm kind of doing it like this, you can see that there is a difference. Look, I got some grass and some soil on it. You can hear that I pulled out a bit. So that was good, and this is how it looked after about an hour of my work. And what I showed before was I don't know if it was an hour, but next time I was gonna use the hoe, this happened. This horrible thing. Look at it. Sorry for showing you this torturous image, but yeah, you can see how incredibly happy I am about that. I had to get my dad to remove it. You can hear my shock. I didn't want to edit it out because I wanted you to hear it, how horrible it is. So anyway, I got the hoe and then I got to another spot, right? Because I had to change to a new spot. The other one where I dug for 2 days, well, 2 hours in total, it wasn't good. I'm not gonna go into why, but yeah, so there I am digging, and it went well. The weather is nice, as you can see. And also we bought some bees, so soon we're gonna have bees here. So if you're interested in that, then you should subscribe to get notified when that happens, and see what we're gonna do with them, how we're gonna do it. And I'm gonna learn, and you can learn with me, because I've never had bees before. I've watched some videos on YouTube and read some stuff, but that's basically all I know. I don't even like bees, but that's how it is. We want honey. As you can see, the soil, it looks pretty good. It's quite moist. There's a lot of roots though, some big roots and some smaller. There's thick roots, which isn't like a normal grass. I don't know what they are. I don't know if you can see that well either. There's a worm there. Also seen some other insects, even though we have a mole that eats most of them, I think. And here's me doing some more work at the barn. So there were a lot of these wooden planks upstairs, and I forgot to add some footage of it. But like above the place where I was cleaning, there's like 4 beams where you can build a loft, and there was a lot of loose planks on them. So this is me removing them. Obviously I didn't do it all by myself, there was a lot. And I'll probably show more of that later. It's just like a quick little thing. I think I'm gonna make a special video of me doing that. And as you saw right now, there was this truck here as I was doing that and getting us this gravel. And this is the end result of my cleaning. I mean, look at the difference. It looks great. There's a floor, and it's pretty good. It's dirty, obviously, but we're just gonna well, we're gonna fix it. I don't know how to say, but we're gonna keep this floor and fix it anyway. We're getting close to the end, so if you like this video, please give me a like. Goodbye, and thank you for watching.